All right, we're going to just take a quick little trip down the road here to Fountain Square. Let's see how it does. Very nice area. Lots of variety here. Nice park, Washington Park over here. See our trolley tracks on the left. Okay, we got a bus here with flashing light. We should slow down and move over. So we're moved over. We didn't really slow down. Not required to slow down. Now we're getting very close to this trolley ramp. Going down here, I would get out of the trolley lane. Do not like really being in here. We are allowed to drive down this way. Okay, making a lane change. I'm not sure why I decided to finally change lanes. I got a car backing out, no problem. The truck facing this way on this one way. Got this car hanging out a little bit and it slammed on the brakes. Did not need to do that. There was no cars on our right. Okay. Pull this back over. Now we got cars that are parked in the lane, got the flashers on. We'll need to go around them. Okay, it recognizes that, it looks like. There's another one, got a crosswalk here. It's just very nice. Now it's kind of stopping here. Got another truck on the right. Okay, now we get to the left here. You can turn left from either lane, but I'm gonna make a left when we get up to Fountain Square here. Make a left turn, and I'll probably, oh, a little herky jerky. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's going to move me over to the right here. Okay, and it's going to come to stop. We'll call that the end of the ride.